यहाँ पे ये रख दो और ये 350 हो गया.
अच्छा ठीक है, I think 700 is a fair deal.
Okay.
It's also I'm trying to teach you some bargaining
how are you
skills.
doing
You
it?
just have to go with the flow. दे रहे हो ना 600 में? See, I told you. You're having a fan moment right now. Wow. Crystal is having
I
a fan
really can't do
moment.
the heat. This is actually the first day I'm not working out with my tumbler. Everyone says आ गई बाल्टी लेके.
Waistline.
It's really
No,
not.
It's not. भैया आपने झूठ बोला, उनको नहीं हो रहा है. If
मेरा
it's too...
26 तो बचपन में था.
हाँ तो करना ही होगा. करना ही होगा.
नहीं भैया नहीं. Take it like I'm like take it 200. What are you saying?
Yeah, and 200.
100 में दे रहे हो? Wow.
हाय, इस मुंबई की गर्मी और सबसे बड़ा सवाल, what to wear? And today we are at Bandra Hill Road for another exciting summary episode of Gully Fashion. और इस गर्मी में एक्स्ट्रा तड़का लगाने आई है none other than Crystal D'Souza.
Hello, how are you?
I am doing very well, and how about you?
I'm feeling very hot. Summer's
Alright.
kicking in, so I guess that's why I'm here and need your help.
Of course, and that's what this show is all about. So welcome to Gully Fashion.
Yay!
And since we are here at Bandra Hill Road shopping something fun,
Okay.
summery,
Yeah.
flowy, easy breezy for you.
Yeah.
So let's just do 2 looks for the day.
Okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
so we can end up buying a flowy outfit. It could be a nice long flowy dress.
Dress, yeah, perfect.
And look 2 can be either a linen pant or a linen crop top.
Yes.
And we can team it up with some cool pair of sunglasses and very minimal accessories.
I agree.
है ना?
Let's do it.
So shall we do it?
Yes.
Okay.
I knew I came to the right place.
I think we should
Okay.
start right from here. So what's your favorite color? Let me ask you that.
So I like very like neutral colors or like muted colors. I'm not somebody who wears like a lot of pop of color.
I could clearly see that.
So yeah, like tans, beiges. But summer is about color. So I mean, here and there a little color won't hurt anyone.
True, absolutely. So when was the last time you did street shopping?
I think I was 15 or 16 the last time I did it when I was in FYJC.
Ah.
So like, after that I haven't come street
Wow.
shopping at all.
So how does it feel to be back?
I love it. I know where every shop is. Like at the back of my head, if it's changed, it's different. But I know if we go inside this, on the left you'll get this and that. I know it. Like I just know it.
Cool.
Also,
I
being
think-
a Bombay girl, I feel like you just know streets and you know
है ना?
street shopping. You
That's
just
one good thing about being a Mumbaiker.
ooh, this is nice.
Oh, you love this? Oh yeah, I love it too.
This is
I love
so
it too.
nice.
I think we can. Since I was talking about linen pants and
Yeah.
a linen crop top, I think this probably it is.
Yeah, perfect. Hey, they have more colors.
और इसकी प्राइसिंग कैसे है?
ये 850 only.
850 ओनली और बार्गेन हो
850
सकती है?
only.
1050.
नहीं 1050 की तरफ जाना ही नहीं है हमें.
Wow.
हमें आप 850 में आप बोल रहे हो लेकिन
इसका मैचिंग टॉप नहीं है? है.
oh yeah,
This is so nice.
this is also pretty, but I quite like
White,
this one.
right?
I mean they have more prints, so in case you wanna see more,
Check it
since
out,
we have
right?
enough time.
Yeah. Wow.
So do
we
you like
just
to go for floral prints or anything that touches your vibe?
So I like these, like which is minimal printed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a print. This is like after very long, I'm wearing a printed shirt.
Okay.
I like plain, basic stuff.
So you're the girl who believes that lesser is better.
Less is better. Also, you can accessorize better then. So
True.
then I like wearing my rings. my
I love your
stuff.
outfit by the way.
Thank you. So and I like yours. I love this.
Actually, it's actually supposed to be tied up.
With a nice
but
bow
then
behind.
since it's too hot, I
Yeah.
don't wanna
Let
go
it
through
flow.
all that.
Let
Yeah.
it flow.
You like any color?
We do. In fact, हमें 2 outfits इसमें से पसंद आए हैं. I don't know if you are up for it. I am.
I'm
too.
good with this. I'm actually really good with
ना?
this.
है fresh piece. Please मैम को fresh piece ही दीजिए. तो आप इसका कितना बोल रहे हो?
800 में कर
700 भी तो हो सकता है. होने के लिए तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
दो वो तो हो जाएगा.
यहाँ पे
can't-
ये रख दो
हाँ.
और ये 350 हो गया.
So do you believe in bargaining? Are you a bargaining girl?
I would love to. I just don't know how to. I go blank. Like you saw, I was just standing like this, like.
हाँ हाँ.
700 कर दिया उससे कम तो
अच्छा ठीक है. I think 700 is a fair deal.
Okay.
Especially in Bandra West. We are not in East.
My
It's
selling price
Bandra
is
West.
last 800 में.
Okay.
Believe me.
Okay.
चलो ठीक है,
Let's do it.
आपका दिल इस पे आ गया है?
आ गया आ गया
Okay,
मेरा
तो हम
दिल
ये
तो
ले
बहुत
रहे
आ गया
हैं
इसका।
700
अभी मन
रुपए।
कर रहा है अभी चेंज कर लूं।
So we do not promote plastic bags. So I guess I'm gonna end up holding these outfits for you.
Really?
Yeah.
No, not bad.
And end up, if in case we end up seeing any tote bags around or jute
Then we
bags,
can
so
pick it up.
just.
Yeah.
So, thank you.
All right, so our look one is almost done.
Yeah.
We'll end up buying some jewelry. I guess post our look two is completed.
Perfect.
So let's go for hunting our look. So Crystal, any 5 essential things that I would personally get to see in your wardrobe when it comes to fashion and summery fashion?
Okay, so you will see a lot of floral dresses.
Uh-huh.
I may not be wearing them all the time, but you'll see a lot of brunchy floral dresses.
Mm-hmm.
Hats. I love hats.
You love hats.
So I think that's something that you'll see. A lot of slippers and
Uh-huh.
like slip-on chappals, open shoes because you just want air going everywhere. Loose white shirt
Mm-hmm.
and denim shorts. I
Wow.
think 5 essentials are done.
Oh, wow. That's good. I like it. I mean, I'm not wowed by it.
It's not like oh
No.
wow, let's pick
Like,
this
let's
one
buy
up.
it.
Yeah.
I also like this shrug, you know, in case.
Yeah.
How about we just do
Shorts,
like a tank top inside and shorts
this. Yeah, we could.
है ना?
We could. We are not restricting ourselves
Wow.
to anything.
And I love the color as well. It's just the
It's
right
perfect. It's perfect.
way. Wow. आप इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए. नहीं वो नहीं पसंद आया हमें ये 850 क्या हो गया 850 इसका नहीं हमने तो एक कॉर्ड सेट उठाया 700 में तो ये इसका 750 क्यों चलो आपका ना मेरा 500 हो जाएगा अरे हो जाएगा सब डिस्काउंट होता है स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग का यही तो मजा है ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच यू सम बार्गेनिंग
how are you
स्किल्स
doing
यू जस्ट हैव टू गो विद द फ्लो दे रहे हो ना 600 में सी आई टोल्ड यू आप भी प्लास्टिक बैग नहीं यूज करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा So within the last 10 minutes, we have shopped a cord set for you in
Yes.
linen fabric, and then we've got this shrug
Yeah.
for which we are going to team it up with crop top or maybe a tank top,
Yeah,
and we'll
perfect.
complete the look with some hot shots.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Bhaiya.
I love it.
So, how about any skincare, hair care hacks for summer?
For summer, I think just drink a lot of water.
Stay
And,
hydrated.
Yeah. And like, you know, just adding this pudina in your water, cucumbers in your
Guys,
water.
please note this.
Please, like, drink. You don't, like, this is, I think, the first day I'm not roaming around with my tumbler. But I like, everyone says, aa gayi balti leke. But it's my balti and I fill it like some
Wow.
4-5 times a day. It's 1.5 liter.
Oh,
Just keep
so stay
drinking.
hydrated
Yeah.
and love yourself.
Yeah, and like stay indoors. Okay.
Here are some
Oh.
shots for you.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a sizes.
Very plain. यहाँ please sizes बता दीजिए. आप
My size.
इनके size का.
Yes.
Which color?
कलर तो आई गेस ब्लू ही अच्छा
Light
होगा
blue.
हाँ
Yeah,
और ये
like-
ज्यादा फटाफुटा नहीं
बहुत
चाहिए
ज्यादा।
हमें
Like plain
हमें
थोड़ा.
लेट्स गो लिटिल प्लेन जैन
Yeah.
नहीं ये तो बहुत ज्यादा लंबा हो गया
हाँ ये तो बहुत लंबा हो गया.
आई वांट यू टू लुक सेक्सी एंड कूल
True.
एंड क्लासी एट द सेम टाइम probably just you have to roll this over your neck
Okay.
and that's how you'll get to know if this is your waistline.
It's really
No,
not.
it's not भैया आपने झूठ बोला उनको नहीं हो रहा है ये तो स्कर्ट है ना ये स्कर्ट है
अब तो मेरे लिए ना.
Oh, this is
बट आई
cute.
आल्सो लाइक दिस
This is very cute.
वेट आई हेल्प यू बट मुझे ये ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है उसको तो देखना भी नहीं अभी
हाँ
मुझे
ये
इसका
ये
वेस्ट
कितना
ये
waist
कितना है देखो अपना आप
ये
भी
बड़ा
इसी
लग
से
रहा है थोड़ा प्लीज देखो ये बड़ा है.
so that's
30
16
लगेगा।
30
Okay.
do you want to belt it up or do you
I
want
have
to
a belt, so I
get
can
a-
wear a belt.
we can even add like a
आप
few
आपका size
tucks
बता देना ना आपका 26 नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं मेरा 26 है ही नहीं.
चलो
28
let's roll it over your neck if
मेरा
it's too
26 तो बचपन में था.
हाँ I think ये तो हो जाना चाहिए हाँ
should
हाँ
go good.
and a belt would just do justice
Perfect.
ये हार्ट अटैक देने से पहले ले see you're just running away because you know now it's my turn हाँ तो मतलब हम थोड़ी ना मॉल में आए ये स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग हो रही है आप बताइए इसका
But I can raise 50.
हाँ तो करना ही होगा चलो 350 में आप दे रहे हो ना ठीक है यस थैंक यू आपने बहुत हेल्प किया आज हमें
Thank you.
और हमें अलाउ किया बार्गेन करने को सो लेट्स ऑलवेज कीप बार्गेनिंग फॉर द
Yes.
गुड थिंग्स बिकॉज गुड थिंग्स कम टू दोज हु बार्गेन
Yes.
Thank you. I want to go to this shop. It's called La Jodi.
Okay.
I think this shop has been there for
I've seen it
forever.
forever, yeah. So we need something for both these outfits.
Yeah. Let's do it.
I like those chappals.
The gladiator ones
The
or
gladiator
the ones inside.
the ones inside.
The pearly ones, did you say?
Yeah.
See?
ऐसे
वो
जा-
pearls में दिखा दीजिए भैया.
Oh, that's also nice.
Yeah. But I think the beige one is just too common. Let's just add some color.
Yeah, let's
Since we
add color.
haven't,
I like this.
हाँ.
I really like this. It's my size also.
Yeah. Though it goes on both the looks, but then I don't mind if you want to end up buying something else as well.
I think it goes on
Because
both
we are
the looks.
completely
This
okay
goes
with
with
it.
the quad set for sure.
Yeah, corset set for sure. And
And,
also
Yeah,
the
denim.
beige
I think it's perfect.
shrug. Do you want to buy that? Because I want you to buy
See,
that,
because,
not just see it.
Like the shorts के साथ, it'll look nice.
Also, the shorts के साथ तुम्हारे shoes भी जाएंगे. Just saying. But
Yeah,
if you just
just
want to
saying.
keep it very easy.
Okay. Oh, that's
it's
cute.
pretty. And you have great feet. So let's just do justice to your feet.
Of course, it's about my feet and not that your eyes have been stuck on this from the time we've reached here. I think I like it.
है ना?
Perfect.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you.
It's not like you planned this.
See, you caught. Okay, भैया अब
ये
बता
हो
दीजिए इन दोनों का प्राइस कितना होगा? ठीक है, आप दे दीजिए बिकॉज मुझे ये चप्पल बहुत 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 ज़्यादा पसंद आए.
That's nice.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, see you later, alligator. वैसे मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था क्रिस्टल, who are your go-to shopping friends?
She moved out of the country. I'm so upset. My best friend.
And who
my-
is she?
Kavya. She's my
Aw.
best friend, childhood best friend. School, college, everything we've done together. And then she got married in Dubai. Who
Acha.
does that to me? Like, why would you do that to somebody? But I used to go shopping with her, and my job was to pick up stuff and then stand behind, like how I'm standing behind you. And she would be like, "Nahi, bhaiya, nahi, itna," and she will get it done. I don't know how. Some people are just blessed with their
है ना?
bargaining skills. And I'll be like giggling and looking at her saying, how I look at you and say, take it, take it, take it. Like, I'm like, take it, 200, what are you saying?
Yeah, and can you believe like within 20 minutes we were able to shop 2 looks for you.
Yeah.
And now we are all left with is just a tank top or a
tank
tee
top,
top.
yeah.
है ना? So let's do that. आप मुझे इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए. 200. चलो 200. 200. हाँ वेरी हैप्पी. नहीं अगर 100 देगा तो फिर इससे ज्यादा I'll dance.
100 में दे रहे हो? Wow.
चलो ठीक है. So
Okay.
I am so happy that हमारा entire look 1 and look 2 is done. A bit more ahead, there's my go-to jewelry shop guy.
Okay.
Do you wanna buy something oxidized, or do you wanna go for something more
See, okay,
statemental?
so with the cape and the white and the shorts, we can get something in the neck.
Okay.
That's good. This is nice.
Yeah, I like this better.
What about something longer?
I think corset के लिए
Earrings?
it has to be something very statemental, and we
Yeah.
can just complete it with a lot of finger rings.
Perfect, yeah.
Is it?
Okay, perfect.
Do you
yes,
like this?
yes,
है ना?
perfect.
Like not necessary कि हमेशा
दिखना
fashion
ही
हाँ
चाहिए,
styling
हाँ.
कर रहे हो तो कुछ बड़ा पहनो.
Hmm.
So yeah, I quite like this, or maybe in case you wanna go for something. I mean, now that my eyes
Yeah,
are,
I like this.
कितना हुआ इसका?
150 के ये 200 के 350 हो
ये 200 का.
ये
ये रिंग 200 के
इतना सा?
तो कलर वाले महंगे हो
अरे कलर क्या है इसमें? आपने टोटल कितना बोला इसका? आप मुझे ये 300 में दे दो. 300 for the jewelry.
Okay.
Since you're about to get high, let's just go and get some glasses for you. Do you wanna
Oh,
go
I
for
love
something
these.
funky, or you just wanna?
I love these.
Okay,
They're really nice.
the ones in gold.
Yeah.
Okay. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the prettiest of all? Isn't she looking stunning? Love it? Or like
I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Alright, so हम ये ले रहे हैं 300 रुपीज में. भैया भी बहुत खुश हो गए कि हमने उनसे ये चश्मे खरीदे हैं.
Yay!
आप ये 300 में दे दो ना मुझे. He agreed to give it to me in 300 instead of 4. So Crystal,
Yes.
look 1 and look 2 is done. And
Yes.
I am so excited to get you summer ready. So shall we do that?
We sure, I'm super excited myself.
And so am I. Give me a high five. Well, Crystal, that was so much fun.
It was a lot of fun in this
And
heat.
the heat was unbearable, but then it was completely worth it.
Yes, of course. Looks like it.
So look one was this
Quad
quad
set.
set that we got for 700, and then we are going to team it up with these accessories which we got
Yes.
for 300 bucks. Then we got these footwear which was again for, I think we got both the
500?
both the
This is
footwear
500,
for
this is 600.
yeah, so a total of 1100. And look two would be this tank top which was for 200 bucks, shrug which was for again 600 bucks, and these hot shorts for 300
Steal.
rupees. Yeah. And obviously we bought these this one piece neck piece which was again I guess for 150 yeah 150.
150.
हाँ हाँ
Okay.
उसने total करके दिया.
हाँ.
And lastly we got
The
these
shades.
cool shades for 300 rupees.
300.
So now that's said and done, I cannot wait to style you in these outfits that I have purchased for you. So shall we make this happen
We must, why not?
and get you summer ready?
Let's do it.